if you control the neck, you control the body, right? So the secret, always when I wanna make him move, I gotta move the neck. So I'm always controlling the neck. If I move the neck, I move the body, and I create that space. Okay? That PK guard set up, right, guys? Just to make sure everybody remember, we're gonna start from open guard, from close guard. Sorry. Okay. Some of you guys already roll with me, so you guys know how easy I get myself there. I set up this game with my grips, right? I do the same situation, the same setup for gi, for no gi. I don't need much grips, right? Normally I just have my fingers locked, some gable grip for gi and no gi, doesn't matter. So we're gonna do the same today, right? We're gonna start here. I'm always here with my knee shield. I start to hug, scoop the leg here. Remember, always with this hook, this foot super down the hip. I'm gonna bring this knee to my chest like this. Guys, especially for no gi, we need to be like extra careful about the foot, about the knees, right? So when we're here, make sure you have your knee all the way in, because this knee here is dangerous. If the guy decides to stand up a little bit, like this, stand up a little bit. Like if I'm here, you can go for a knee bar. You see from there. So I need to make sure, yes, I need to make sure this knee is always here inside. Okay? See, this knee is always in between the legs. Never here. This knee cannot be on the hip. Be careful there, right? So I'm always here if the guy is on his knees, if the guy is on his feet, it doesn't matter. It's always the same. Okay? So we're gonna start simple today, I'm gonna pendulum. And I do this a lot for no gi, even more for no gi. I pendulum to kick them forward. When they pose like this, it's very normal, everybody pose. I just come up here, okay, I can have the sit up situation, I will just sit up. Normally when I'm coming up towards this side here, to come up with them, they try to sit down, yes. Then I can roll back here, going for the knee bar, okay, or just sweeping them. So I'm always here controlling the sides, depending on the reactions, okay? So I'm here with his leg, okay? If he try to go on his knees, okay, he's smashing me, I'm gonna kick him, boom. If he sits like this, remember, you can just roll over and come up, okay? And we're gonna add some leg attacks. When I roll here, I'm gonna bring this foot behind the hamstring like this, and bring his heel over my armpit, sorry. And then I lock the knee. As soon as I'm rolling, I need to bring this foot on the hamstring. Okay, now I'm gonna lock my elbow here. Okay. And do a little bridge into his tap. Okay? So again, we're gonna be here. Boom, right? If he posts, just post the hands, I can just come up. This is very normal. Okay? Technical standing. If he does not, and here, okay, and he sits like this, look, I don't have this space, you see? Cool? So let's work. I gave you guys some 3 options. Coming up straight forward, technical standing. If they see, they can just do like a backward roll over his leg. Or on this backward roll, I have the knee bar situation. Okay, so I'm gonna give you guys already 3 options. Super basic. Nothing crazy, just with the leg. Make sure the most important thing, guys, is protect your knees. Okay? Never lose this foot. Protect your knee. And make sure the knee is on your chest. So if this knee is on the floor, here, it's bad. Okay? I don't have much options. Okay, I gotta bring this knee here on my chest. I'm good. Because now his weight is on this leg. Okay, now I can push him that way. Good? Remember the class I did for B?
Yeah.
It's the same, right? The shield, I like to work the frame. Gotta bring this knee down, right? Boom, and like that. Good?
Good.
I will bring him down to make, if like you see, he's all the way down. Bring the heel. You see, look how his leg is exposed now. When I need to make sure my hip is on his, over his knee. So when I roll, I'm rolling super tight here. You see, and I'm always controlling his foot. Because if his foot is like this, like sideways here, I miss it. There's no angle. So what I do, I bring it back. See? I control the toes. Look, look. I start to turn his foot towards me. You cannot fight against that. It's impossible. So I control the heel and the toes. You see? So now I can pinch again. This is already tight. Okay, so if you think you're missing the angle of his side, it's not gonna work. Bring the toes, make turn. And now you got it. Okay, you need to make sure his toes are pointing to your head like this. It cannot be like this. There's no angle like this. You're gonna just turn and come up. Okay, yeah. So if that happens, try to come up. See, I'm gonna start torquing his foot here. It's bad. So he cannot come up. Don't let the top guy come up. Okay, now start adjusting again. See? Okay, do not let the person turn the foot away like this. Even if you get, oh, I'm gonna get to hold. No, it's not good because you guys are gonna spin, get off the match. You don't have nothing to lock him. You got it. You have the toe hold, cool. But you're only gonna make the person tap if the person don't have a very good resistance. Talking about like competition, it's not a good option. If you guys will spin, get off the match. You're maybe gonna get 2 points, but you're not gonna finish the fight. Okay, so it's better you stay there to finish the fight. You were able to finish the fight. So, but again, look, the first question, a really good question, was how can I move him if he's too heavy on the butt, right? Like too heavy guy, like square guy, yes. Okay, so I open the door and the guy is too heavy. I keep telling you guys that if you control the neck, you control the body, right? So the secret, always when I wanna make him move, I gotta move the neck. So I'm always controlling the neck. If I move the neck, I move the body, and I create that space. Okay? If I'm here, I like to cut the neck, push him away, boom, and now I have the space again. Good. That was the first question. I always like to control the neck to create that space if I need to. Also, the second question here is on the sit up. When I kick him and he posts the hand, he doesn't want to sit down, just post the hand. Okay? I have some options. I like to bring here this way, also to come up to make easier because I can just move myself away here. Okay? And also I create the angle to reshoot if I need to. Okay, like this. See, it's already tied in. Okay? Most of the times, what he does here is, if he sits down, yeah, he's gonna try to backstep. Backstep. Yes. And I'm gonna duck here on the 50-50. That's very common situation. I'm gonna make him get down. Okay, here. I'm always here in the 50-50. You guys see that? Now, look this. We're not going to hook. I'm going to a new one that I've been working and it's working a lot. Okay? I will control his toes here and I will just bridge here. Right? Yes. Okay? So I can control the toes, I can control the heel. I gotta lock his toes around my armpit and bridge. See? Brown, black belt, adults is illegal, but I know some of you guys like no-gi, like to work that, so I'm going to show you guys, just be careful, it's super tight, right? Because the heel hook, I need to bring his toes in, okay? Create a space here, heel out, lock my hands, sometimes hard. So I just like lock the heel. I just need to torque his, right? And I'm gonna finish with like a knee bar bridge. Okay, you're gonna be like a side knee bar. Okay, so it's illegal for masters below purple belts, but I think it's valid for you guys to learn to know this. Okay, so I'm gonna do again the whole setup. Gonna be here. Boom. Okay. Yeah, stay back step a lot here. If they back step, I need to bring this knee, okay, like this before. If they back step before I have my leg, I bring my knee, boom, 50-50. Okay? Good with that? Everybody good into here? Let's go again the back step here. Look. Because on the last time I did this, I was going to kick him and I brought his leg. And he decided to back step. Yes. See? I'm gonna bring this leg in. Or I can just come up. Guys. So when he back step, I come up with his leg. Okay? It works the same. Okay? You guys don't want to be bottom, want to get out. When he back step, back step. Okay, when he back step, just gonna be here, right? When he back step, go, back step. I come up with his leg. I don't wait. Okay? As soon as he backs up, I'll lift his leg and come up. Okay? Or I'm gonna be here, just step over his leg, 50-50. Bring his foot right on top of the chest. Good. Start the toe, right? Here, control the toes, cup the heel, and bridge.
So on Monday, I guess it was, or however many days ago it was, there was the older person's version of this where the knee went over the top of the arms. Can you do something similar?
Wait. So, here, right?
Where you went up?
This one. Okay, yeah. This is the same. Sometimes they're gonna keep this from here. I still use this. See? The same, remember? Boom. And then let's say did this.
You put the foot in the armpit. And
Yeah, this foot, but we had grips. So no gi is very like physical, right? So it's hard to have that control. Alexei showed to us with no grips. Okay, that's why most of like you see Alexei don't do no gi much, the Deco don't do no gi much, Formiga don't do no gi because they like to have control. So no gi we don't have. I mean we do have, but it's harder. It's very physical, right? So we gotta adapt the positions to like hand to hand, gable grip, like so it's different. So I don't have, to be honest, an option like Alexei show you guys on Monday, like stepping because he did like a spider here, right? Mm-hmm. Yes, going to the spider, sweep to that side. I don't have it because I don't have the grip. It's hard to have the control, right? But here now, what I will do, I will show you guys another variation I do when the guy is strong. So I usually go immediately to bring this leg over, okay, like this. Super tight here behind the knee, okay? If I need more space, you just kick him. The same thing always, guys, always kick. What I'll do here now, keep his knee on the floor and bring his foot over. Going for the heel hook, okay? Cup both elbows like this and torque. Okay?
The legs are open, right?
It is open, yeah. I'd never like to lock it because if it goes like in toe hold or something like that, I cannot get out because I lock my legs. I don't like to lock my legs. Okay? Because if he attack my foot, I can get out. You see? If I have my legs locked, I'm done. Okay, I cannot move. Okay, so I'm gonna be here again. Let me show you again, so I'm right here. Okay, that's important. I get like a lot of times on this position already if I lock, so I don't lock anymore. So here, this leg comes all the way over. Okay, I need to make sure this knee is not on my hip. So I'm gonna push down and bring the foot. But now I need to control this leg. He will try to step back. You see, because he wants to face me. He will try to get it 50-50. Okay? So as soon as I realize that, control the foot and cup the heel. He's already out. I don't need even both hands to finish that. And even now that I have the heel, he can back step. That's fine. They're gonna tap before I finish. Okay, he's gonna tap before he finish this step. Okay, but I need to make sure this knee's on the mat. You see it? The heel gonna be really like popping here. Just cupping. Now I can let it go the leg and finish before he finishes that step. Gonna show you guys one more, and that's again it's illegal for masters. I'm gonna show you guys a version legal that I do. That's gonna be legal for everybody. Okay? It's the calf slice. I do a lot of calf slice from here. Okay? So for the heel hook, you're gonna be here, bring this leg, make sure the knees on the mat. Just circle. Control the far leg, okay? You can step on the leg like this, then I do this, then he goes. Okay? Or if the knees on the chest like this, I just bring my foot here. I'm gonna push this knee out. And then I come up. Too hard. And roll with me. Now I stretch myself. So, first one, knee down. Second one, knee out. Okay, again. This one is legal for everybody. Okay? It's calf slice, so brown belt and black belt master is illegal. You guys can do this, right? Boom. First one, heel hook, knee down. Second one, knee out. Come up and hug you. Now gonna roll. Now just stretch yourself.
Fine.